iPhone call recording option missing on iOS 18? Here's how to fix it. Today, we're going to talk about why you're missing the call recording feature on iOS 18 and how you can fix it. If you've recently upgraded and can't find this option, don't worry. I've got the answers you need. So let's dive right in. First things first, let me show you how the call recording feature works for those who have it. It's as simple as opening your phone app and making a call. Once the call starts, you should see a little icon at the top for recording the call. When you tap on it, there will be a countdown, and the recording will begin. It's that easy. Once your call ends, the recording will automatically save to your Notes app for future reference. So, why might you not see this feature yet if you've upgraded to iOS 18? Well, there are two reasons. First, the call recording feature is currently only available on the iOS 18.1 beta version, which I'm running right now. Most of you are probably on the official iOS 18.0 version, which doesn't include it yet. But don't worry, iOS 18.1 will be officially released soon. Second, even with the update, this feature is only available for phones that have a dynamic island. So, if you're using a phone with the traditional notch, unfortunately, the feature won't work for you. Phones with a dynamic island will have the ability to record calls once iOS 18.1 is released. If you don't have this feature, your phone is likely missing the hardware requirement. I hope this video helped clear things up. If it did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks.